some good stuff here. Probably asking a lot of money. Yeah. Yeah. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Yeah, cool. That's really cool.
I hear you.
How much are you asking for your jacket?
For that one, I'll give it for you for 30.
30?
Good?
Well, 25. You do 25?
Perfect.
Alright, I'll do it for 25. I'm gonna keep looking too.
Okay.
I'm gonna keep looking. You own like a car business or something,
We
or?
used to have a motorcycle shop in Florida.
Oh, very cool, very cool. What part of Florida?
Deltona.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, my dad used to ride motorcycles down there.
Oh, okay.
Very
Where
cool.
he lived at?
We live here, and he every year they would go down to Daytona 500, I guess, and they would go down there, and they got a lot of stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Air filters, plate flipper. Oh, very cool.
We have windshields, and we have
Oh yeah.
all kind of stuff we have.
Oh. Gasket. That's cool. That's awesome. Very cool.
Yeah, we were selling them online.
Yeah.
But I don't have time for that, so we're
Right.
asking, if someone give us $500 for everything,
For everything?
we'll sell it. And in this parts only, these are extensions.
Yeah.
You get the money right there.
Right.
Yeah. And here's the pipe. Look,
Oh
we
yeah.
have so many things in there.
Right.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Don't you wish we would have
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, $500 and it's gone. We have gloves here. What?
High booster. $500, huh?
Mm-hmm. $500 and you take it off. Anyone can have an online store.
Yeah, that's what I do. I buy and resell.
Oh, you do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That's what I do.
Believe me. I tried and
You-
I sell.
You know what these are for?
Those are for, if I'm not mistaken, let me look for the list. I
Okay.
still have the
Yeah.
list. And I know we have somewhere another pair of extensions.
Right.
Let me see, 83. 83. 82. Hello, ma'am.
Hey, how are you?
We have another set of those, and I think those are for boosters. Do we have another container? We have another plastic. Oh, okay. Let me see if I can find it for you.
Okay.
82. Send a picture to Carlos. Carlos will tell you.
This?
Yes.
I think this one was for
That's looking just for a boost extension. No?
No.
Parts.
I think that one was for a.
A Dixer?
No.
I tell you what, if I went to go get cash, would y'all do 400? I take it all 400.
You take it up for 400?
It's up to y'all. I don't want to impose or anything like that. I think I'd take a risk on 400.
What about the seats? We included the seat stuff?
Everything.
Everything.
So it's up to y'all. I mean, I can go to the gas station right now and go get it. I don't want you to feel pressured. I don't want you to feel pressured. Yeah.
No, that's fine. You know, what happened, and we know there's a lot of,
Yeah.
it's, you know, while we asking, it's not that much.
Right, right.
Look at the over.
Yeah.
Those are for the frames.
Yeah.
What about 450?
Flame slider.
450.
Mm-hmm.
That's with the seats and everything, and
That's with the seat?
is that included too or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Okay.
include that.
What are tail lights? The tail light for the back end?
Those are like
Oh, the
bags.
yeah. Okay, yeah.
Those are universal.
Yeah. Okay.
You have to.
Okay. 450.
Perfect. Let me take it off.
And you have that list, right?
Yes, I have a list. And most of the parts, if you see, they have the number here.
Yeah.
So you can look at here.
The number will be on the left side.
Yes, the number will be on the left side.
Okay.
And then some parts that are not there. They're like some of the jackets, like.
Right.
So it will be. Yeah,
How mu-
450 plus the
How much you think this? How much you think all this goes for retail?
for retail.
Yeah. What do you think?
I just checked.
Just a rough ballpark.
Just the extension. You can.
Just the extension,
$300.
$300. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
450.
And there are. Oh, they're right here. Look.
That's for high.
Hayabusa.
Yeah.
And they're brand new.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
see? Right here.
Yeah.
These are for the CX14.
CX14.
By these
Okay.
people that
In
rolling
those
toys.
two, you will get about,
These, they
because
got,
I was checking them.
they got the
and
price right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, and we have this.
Data cover.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's set.
Yes, I got the request.
Do 450. Go on the jacket. I do
No.
450. It's up to her. Okay.
How much
She said plus jacket. So be what did we say?
How much you have?
475.
No, I didn't know it was missing. It's missing.
That's not bad.
Yes,
It's not bad.
Is this a shower curtain?
Yes, it is.
Okay. All right, let me
You can
write-
make,
yeah,
you
let me.
can make
You take two for that?
money just selling those air filters or
Yeah. You care if I look a few of them up real quick?
no.
Okay.
man.
We're gonna look a few of them up and you good, baby?
Some of these parts are brand new.
Right.
I mean, most of them. You know. This is a tail light.
Yeah. There you go for it. Okay. Yeah, let me run to the gas station real quick and
Sure.
get some change and. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll. How much do you think all this is retail?
Here,
Yeah, like how many? What do you think the ballpark would be as far as retail?
I think you can get probably. You sell it
Two and two.
Individually. and-
originally. You're probably gonna get more than. I guess $1,500 to $2,000. You know,
Yeah.
we just don't want to bother anymore.
Yeah. give you 100. That way, just to reserve it, and then I'll be back. I'm gonna go gas station real quick, and I'll be right back.
So it's gonna be $450 for the 20 plus the 25 for the jacket.
Yeah, $475. So $375 I gotta get out.
Okay, perfect.
All right, thank y'all. I'll be back. Yeah, look a few of them up and